got it.
Come on, got it. Yes, Jehu, Jehu. Yes, easy. Wow, good.
That's right.
Yeah, here. Come on. Wow,
Whoa.
Jehu, Jehu. Come on. Whoa, Jehu, jump.
This was so dangerous.
Yeah, jump. Come on. Woo! Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Wow! What about your hands? Come on. Oh, strike. Woo! Good man.
Am I good at it?
Yeah, I got it. I video you, man. How nice it is. Can you tell me one more time what is the name of your girlfriends?
Angelica and Maddie.
Angelica and
Maddie.
Maddie. Oh, good. How old are they?
5 and 5.
5 and 5. How do you know them?
Because for Kingdom, it's only for 5 years old kids.
Kingdom is only 5 years old.
Yeah.
So who is beautiful?
Both.
Both?
Yeah.
So you love both?
Yeah.
Do they love you? You think so? Oh, I see. I never see them.
Well,
If I want to see, can you bring them our home?
no, they're Marang and Si.
What about your mom? Did she see them?
Okay. How much minutes is it now?
Just 1 minute.
And then,
Because if you are strong, your girlfriends will see this and they will say, wow, wow, good. Jehu is good. They will say that. Wow.
hey, one children's show.
Really?
Behind you. Behind you.
Behind me? Oh, good boy. He's coming. Maybe your friend.
Nope.
Nope.
Not my friend.
Oh, good.
Hey, when you wasn't sure, when you wasn't sure, I was sure.
Aha.
Yeah, and my brother's school was sure, and I was sure in my brother's school.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I played with everyone, even he was, and even that guy was.
Oh, he's coming to you. See there? Good boy. Wow, he's strong. Oh my God.
I can do that without.
Whoa, he's very strong. Look at there. Good. You also can do that?
But look at this.
Oh my
Look
goodness.
at this.
Yes. Oh, hoo. Oh, look like a monkey. Hey,
Look at this.
good. You go there. What he's doing, you also try to do that.
Look, I
Yes.
can do this without it.
Yeah, okay.
I can do this without it.
Oh, yes. Without hands. Nice. Without hands. Oh, good. Hey, boy. Can you climb up there? See, he's climbing there. He's good boy. Maybe very strong.
I can do
What
it
about
without
here?
it.
Here. Can you climb up there?
Oh, I can.
Yeah, without hands. Come on.
Huh?
Yeah, without hands. Good. Yes.
Whoa,
Whoa.
whoa.
Whoa. Whoa, you are good, man. Without hands. Yes. So strong. Yes. I believe you are very strong. Oh my God. You don't touch. Whoa. Whoa. Slightly. Maybe you touch or not. Did you touch?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Oh my God. You don't touch. So strong, man. Woo. Oh. You can touch slightly. It's okay. But maybe, oh my God. Oh, almost done. Yes. Wow. You are so good.
And look, I can do
Yes, yes. Oh my goodness. How do you know that?
And look at this.
Who taught you that? Huh?
I can put my head backwards.
Oh, yeah.